Goko neko Kikuyu podcast. Guys, kwena video no ira trend goko online. Kwena mutumia uyu akoretwo agithiunguka na wheelbarrow ya UDA na muthenya wa umuthi to video ira trend muthenya wa umuthi. Athie handu utiamenyekana kana ni kuhuta kana niki ahuana ta koma kana ahuana ta ringika. No andu mamukora hau marauga atiriri matikumuteithia tondu ni wa UDA kana tondu ni wa two term. Andu maharia thiini wa video marauga atiriri o matingiteithia mundu wa UDA kana mundu wa two term. Ndakora atiriri politics cia Kenya cikinyite andu hau, cikoretwo na uritu mwingi uguo that anything related na UDA andu matirenda kana undu wothe related na two term. Ndamwikire video ya Makanga uria arakuaga akauga akua andu a one term ndarenda andu a two term. I tell you, haya tukinyite ndirakwira ni kurituhite makiria. Nitamwikira video no, ladies and gentlemen, Kindiki ndona akira muno ekuria mwena wa Meru. Ndoka tore story yo niki Kindiki ararira. Ex-officially, Meru is a battleground between opposition na regime weno. Who will take the day? Ex-official Rigathi wa Gachagua nekorwa na Kindiki mone Meru eguthie mwena wao. Meru eguthie mwena wao, ladies and gentlemen. Neguka tore video ya mutumia uyu wa UDA na kawheelbarrow gake hau agwite no kumwirora mauga marera andu a two term na andu a UDA moke muteithie. Eno video ndamana gitio kinene muno, kindly subscribe thini wa channel ino ya Kikuyu podcast.
Mongeweka Kalonzo hapo jamweka.
What ya UDA? What ya UDA? Mtieni ndo huyu hapa amejiangusha hapa West. Anataka asaidiwe na atusaidie UDA. Pole sana.
Ni one term.
Tafadhali huku ni one term. Term ni moja. Watu waende home.
We guys, niko nyitanite muno. Andu marauga uyu ni wa UDA tutikumuteithia. Andu a UDA kameta andu a UDA moge mateithie mundu wao. Oraga na wheelbarrow ni wamena yeriketwo UDA na gibisha kia must go hau gabisha ciao nitathiru akiadvertisaga thirikari na andu ni uria mena mang'uri ni undu wa thirikari ino makauga matikumuteithia. Matiramenya arigitheti yani matiramenya agwita hau niki arigikite niki. But anyway, wana mundu ena thina, to be honest, wana mundu ena thina about mutikabe kurora kiama, save that life kwanza, kiama baadaye. Ako mundu ena gathina toyo kumenya thina uyu wiko mukamuteithia kana ati andu a Ngai oguo niguo kuri, but one term all the way. Anyway guys, now nindona Kindiki akira muno akiuga ati mundu witwo Gachagua ari one term MP. Yes, he was one term tondu atuike deputy president. Mundu witwo Kindiki akihura githori muno akauga ari senator miaka 10 aikorwo majority was it majority kure thiini wa bunge miaka kure thiini wa senate miaka 5 kira Gachagua ni kumuonia uria tari amona kana uria tari ni kumuonia gagabute. Now oroyo wa Kindiki muthenya umuthi ndona ugitabio muno ni bloggers amwena wa thirikari na makagire kuonania atiriri Kindiki ni wete Meru. Kiuria ndiroria ni kimwe, niki agikorwo mena Meru we mwena wa Kindiki niki tonire guns cigitumiro. If at all they believe they have Meru, niki matumagira guns Rigathi wa Gachagua ndagathie Meru. If at all wakona Meru, niki megutinia ngina miti ekagwa farafara ati timu ya Rigathi wa Gachagua matigathie ku. If they believe mena Meru, niki ngina farito kuona muthenya umuthi cigitumika kugiria timu ya neutral position guthie kuria mwena wa Meru. if they believe they have Meru niki mareka maundu maya mothe tondu angiko mena yo matigira tumiria guns. In fact mothe ntona methu ekira bisha gari ciora agitwo na mahiga kuria. If they believe they have ground matigira ura gari cio into the position magira cirekereria. If they believe they have ground niki matumira guns. If they have ground I call you net opposition matina ground ya matigira marekereria tugakuona andu. Meru is very important. Then wa thirikari ino. I told you. Dati dagi mwera haha. Then wa video shiatukite. Na ugira video tukite hena video nyandikite why Meru. Why Meru? Because ina ina aiakura. Iyo niyo kasungu arorete iguru uguo. Iyo niyo must go arorete iguru uguo. Igetha target ile na Mount Kenya onekana Meru ni makahigia. No really, will Meru vote for this regime? In fact, will Kithure Kindiki be deputy president? That's where the problem is. Because kwa igana oria kore Kithure Kindiki ndagatuo DP. Na rero rehe region ino wikanyu akura kana kuriya mundu akarehe nicio cigatuma ndemwe gitikia DP. Kithure Kindiki ndena ground ya kuigana ndena kora cia kuigana. The battle will continue. Na uko na uritu munene muno wa gisiasa ni uthi na mbere kurituite na njira nene muno na mukona uria guthi wikarite. But then if they believe they have the ground matiagirwo gutumira guns kuhura united opposition. If they believe they have ground matigatumira thigari matigatirie united opposition kwa meguthia kanitha. If they believe they have ground matigira kama maundu macio. But because they don't have ground, because of their cowardice, nikirona makihudhira guns, nikirona makihudhira thigari. Atiriri, guns icio nishikama ikiria kura. Thigari icio nishiga kwa mweno wao. No kio ndirakiuria. If they believe they have ground. But anyway, let's wait. The battle will be too tough. Ketone no kwata ambacho no, but unit opposition at least mena manyaka because mena vigogo akoria mwena wa Meru. Mena vigogo ta mundu gwitwo Munya, mena vigogo ta mundu gwitwo Minthika Linturi, Kabira Mwangaza, vigogo aria akoria Meru. And by the end of it all, unaota ukanaigua egwitotia muthuri wa egwitotia macho ine wa kiama kia Mbas. By the end of it all, no mukaigua na haria mwisho no akariria andu a Meru. But anyway, ketete tuone Onewe podcast mwani manyu maiko inywe mnaona atia kama mnaona wiki ateta. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you.